Hey there, what is up? My name is Cedric, welcome to my channel Vertigo 117, and I made a camera stabilizer. It's all made from PVC with a piece of wood and some bicycle lights and the piece of wood is so that I can put it like so on my tripod. And without further ado, I'll show you how I made it. Okay, so I bought myself a pack of lights. This is what comes in the kit. It's for bicycles, and you put this one on here, and this goes on the handlebar. The battery is for in it. And what I did, I've cut it off here, and I've made a slot, And hang on. I'll put it over here, put a screw in it, and then I'll be able to put it up or down, and I can move it sideways, or if I loosen up the screw a bit here, this one here, so it will be maneuverable. And to protect it a bit, I will put a bit of tape, like the yellow tape. This is just so that I can see it easier when I drop it in the water, if I drop it in the water. And there will be just a bit of protective black tape. Morning, it's 5 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go to work, and I thought, because it's dark outside, let's test out the lights of the rig. So this is without lights. Don't really know if you can see anything, and this is with the lights. Bit better. That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to see other videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. See ya, take care.